My name is Tomas Pinås. I'm from a Norwegian company called Mace. We are doing an app for retailers for everyday training. There are lots of benefits of using customer data and insights, but the way we are using it, we are empowering frontline store staff with feedback every day from their buying customers on how they perceive their shopping experience. We are transferring that back to the people in the store to do continuous improvement of their own behavior and on their store.
Yep.
The customer actually receives a survey on SMS or email. Fill out the survey, and that information goes directly back into the everyday training app that they have on their phone, in their pocket.
Yeah.
So based on this, I can have a complete dashboard of all the visiting customers I had yesterday, the last week, or over time.
And their feedback.
Yeah, and then I can see what I need to improve upon.
Exactly.
And then I can take action on that.
Yes.
I think it's all about listening to the customer and have apps and solutions that helps you understand what the customer is telling you and how the customer is behaving towards your store, even online or physical.
Yeah.
And to optimize it in the best way to always meet the customer experience.
Yeah.
So what we are building, we are actually going to project in the store a colleague on the floor that will look like a human, and that will walk around in the store and giving tip to the employees about what they need to optimize to make better customer experiences in those specific stores.
Okay.
So have you seen Star Wars?
Star Wars?
Yeah, have you seen how they project people in Star Wars?
Yeah, so like a little bit.
This will be the future on the store floor.
Okay.
It's here in 2 years' time.
Let's see. Well, now we have it on video. You heard it here first. Thanks so much, Tomas.
Okay.